Hey, this is Bodycam. This Bodycam belongs to a Ayonix company. In this Bodycam, we just first open it, and then there is a Bodycam here, and yeah, there is one USB cable here, and then charger dock station, and then the clips, and then a USB, and another clip, and then the bodycam. This bodycam, this has some window here, and then there's a recording here and photo shot and SOS button, as we see here, and then there is a USB, a SIM card input here. We can put a SIM card, and then there's a charging station, power, and microphone, etc. Okay, first of all, we open it, and then a screen just opens like this. Yes, right now it just started. As we see here, the camera is like this, and then when we take a photo, there's a photo mode, and then the recording just starts a recording internally right now, battery low, but the charging is just started now. When we open it, click again, then charging finish. And there are lots of menus like this. Resolution is a full HD, FPS is 30 FPS, and then the recording quality, something we can select this. Also wireless is also available, and then 3G and 4G, and Wi-Fi is on. Bluetooth also is available, and GPS mode is available, and then there are lots of settings, pre-recording, vibration is on or off, or this kind of features are all available. And here we can see the device info. You can get all the information about the devices, temperature, GPS, and wireless, for example, we can do. And then by using the right now the Vodafone AU means that SIM card is also connected. When you put it, then wirelessly it will be or communicate. Here the thing is that from the clips, this clip is done here like this. Oh no, maybe opposite. I think it will be, no, oh sorry, it will be like this. Yes, and then like this, you see here. Yeah, that's so easy. And then the clip is here, then you can put like this, and then additionally for putting it to the person, to the security, you can also do like with this clip. We will take it off, this one. Oh, it's a little bit tough to take it out. Oh yes, it was opposite. Okay, and then this one, we put this one, clip, and then put it to the chest, this one. And this bodycam, by the way, has supporting the face recognition. Inside this bodycam, it's approximately 100,000 people can be enrolled and can be matched inside the bodycam. Okay, that's it. And for the charging, we just put here, and then put the cable for charging at the back side, and then USB, put it to the USB charge, then it charges. The charging will take approximately 3 hours, and in one charge it just continues like 24 hours, no, it's 16 hours. That's it, a short introduction of the Bodycam. Thank you very much for listening this one, and then I hope to get some orders about this Bodycam. Very small, very tiny, and lots of functionalities, and also including the some kind of the walkie-talkie as well. There are lots of features, and there's also laser point here. I will not open it now, but there's also this functionality is also possible. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Hope to talk to you on the other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.